y equal to tan inverse, convert into sin and cos. This becomes 1 plus sin x. It's a very important problem, different forms I'll teach you now. So convert into half angle. Tan inverse sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square divided by cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Again, it is a form of a plus b whole square by a square minus b square. I'll take an empty slide. Tan inverse. Finally, this becomes cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. So this in turn becomes tan inverse 1 plus tan x by 2 by 1 minus tan x by 2. This in turn becomes tan inverse tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. So finally we get y equal to pi by 4 plus x by 2. It's a very important result. You will study in differentiation chapter also. So dy by dx, you get it as 1 by 2. It is an additional information. Similarly, if y equal to tan inverse 1 minus sin x by cos x is given, automatically this will become tan inverse of tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Then y is equal to pi by 4 minus x by 2. So dy by dx, you get it as minus 1 by 2. This will study in differentiation chapter also. But anyhow, here it is given. That's why I'm giving an idea. Similarly, third one, y equal to tan inverse under root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. This will give you tan inverse under root of 2 sin square x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2. This will give you tan inverse tan x by 2, which is in turn x by 2. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2. So there are three forms. I repeat once again. Tan inverse 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x will give you derivative 1 by 2. Here it is giving you minus 1 by 2. Here you are getting dy by dx as 1 by 2. All three forms are very, very important. So for our problem, tan inverse secant x plus tan x will give you pi by 4 plus x by 2. If it is tan inverse 1 plus tan x by 2 1 minus tan x by 2, you got as pi by 4 plus x by 2. If it is tan inverse 1 minus sin x by cos x, nothing but secant x minus tan x will give you minus 1 by 2. Okay, I'll show once again. Tan inverse secant x plus tan x will give you pi by 4 plus x by 2. Remember, as a result for competitive, tan inverse secant x minus tan x will give you pi by 4 minus x by 2. Tan inverse under root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x will give you x by 2. These are very, very important results.